Hi guys, I'm going to take you a small trip from user story to final wireframe. It is a small trip, but I think you will love it. So let's start from user story. So there is a pick and a feature. Feature is, as a manager, I want to see the list of students who is completed the quiz, who is not completed the quiz, so that I can send a reminder who is not completed the quiz. So this print task is, as a user, I want to see the list of students who is completed the quiz, who is not completed the quiz. So the structure of your pages determines the steps in your user stories. To structure your pages, you have to pick a type of information architecture to work with. So this is very interesting portion of this video, understanding the type. So whenever you get a free time, take some old user stories and understand the different types, what type fit into that user story. So that will help you to create quickly when you have the actual task. So let's make simple now. Here is a couple of type categories: a task, search, time, people. So if you look at the categories, attend quiz is a category, and the task, check students who have completed versus not completed the quiz. Search by student name, search by student ID, search by date. Time, display the status who completed the quiz first. So people, total number of users and what role they are into and what age group and how many females, how many males, and if anybody visually impaired. You can do this exercise for identifying right type. So here, based on the priority, is the task type we have to follow for creating the information architecture diagram. So let's start creating an information architecture diagram based on the task type. So I'll give you a simple example. If you want to book a movie, what do? You open a page and search, and you get the result, and you pick a movie and you book the ticket. The same way. So you have the search category. So search by name, search by ID, search by date, and once you hit the search, you get the result. So there will be a primary level navigation and a secondary level navigation. So you have to reach this page to complete the task. So from where you start, that will be the primary level navigation. You have global level navigation, and you open this page, that can be your secondary level navigation. Look at this diagram which I created based on the task. I have the primary navigation and I have the secondary navigation. The primary navigation include the global navigation, and there's a my account, then I'll go to the assignment session, then I'll go to the manage quiz. So this can be menu, or this can be some kind of button that we have to decide later. So once I hit manage quiz, I get another page contains search by name, search by ID, search by date, then I can submit. So once I submit, I get the result, include the student's name, student's ID, student's grade, and the date, and the status, the completed status or in progress status or pending status. So this is pretty much the task I have for this sprint. So as a user, I want to see the list of students who is completed the quiz, who is not completed the quiz. So from here, we can start creating a wireframe. So based on our information architecture diagram, we have a global navigation, my account, assignment, and manage quiz. I just placed here in the Balsamic. So I placed as a menu. So I have the my account menu, then under that I have assignments, then manage quiz. So once the user is click on manage quiz, we go to the manage quiz page. There I have the breadcrumbs saying that this page is manage quiz page. So here we are going to create the wireframe how to manage quiz. So I have a manage queues, I have search, by name, by ID, by date, and I have submit. So let's create. We created 11 pages and it is linked, and now this time we need to export to PDF. You can show linking hints. Click manage queues. I have a name. I'm going to select all names. I'm going to select all IDs, and from February 1st to February 29th, and submit. So I got a list of students, name, ID, grade, and date and status. Jacob Nelson's study on usability test found that tests with just 5 users would reveal 85% of the problems with your website, whereas 15 users would find pretty much all the problems. I use Crazy Egg and Feng UI for usability testing. Feng UI is very useful when you have a sprint task, like a very limited time where you need to submit your deliverables quickly. And you can use a Crazy Egg for your ongoing process. So let's start uploading an image which I created from Photoshop. Open an image file and select the one wireframe page. And I mostly use this face detection and just click analyze. So here is a report. So download, use Acrobat or image archive. So I using PDF for now. Just open a PDF and see the result. See here. So this is the input image which we uploaded, and here the heat map report. So we got a F pattern, which is very good, and you can see the hot and cold spot. This is hot and this is cold. So user is pretty much going through each element. That is good. And if you go the down for the gaze path report, if you look at here, the first the user is look at here and move to here to 2, 3 and 4. So this is looks good. User is almost covered. It's looked almost every elements of the page, which is good. And we go to the 7.5 second gaze path, which is good. So this is opacity map report. So like these are the area which the user is not used. So these area the user is look at. So this is pretty much a good tool which I normally follow. You can attach this report with your wireframes and share with your team, and you can show them the difference between version 1 and version 2 and how the user is using your screen. So this will help you to get the approval from your product owner or business. Thanks for your time. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please visit www.youxdesign.com for more exciting blog posts.